Plato would call the coordinators, and maybe even the PIs, but really it's the coordinators, the philosopher kings of the clinic, wise leaders who protect people with their judgment. Let's break that down. Let's repeat that again. Wise leaders who protect their patients with their judgment. AI might crunch numbers fast, but it can't sense fear or decide what's truly just. And not fear in the sense that it's so extreme to where a patient is not going to do a study or not, although that happens too in the example I just gave. Fear in the sense of the coordinator, like, you know what? I actually don't think this patient's going to make the entire trial. Like, this is a 3-year study. Maybe we can put them in a shorter study, or maybe that shorter study didn't start yet. Maybe we can put them in this shorter study, and then when that other study starts and the patients, if my hypothesis was correct about where I think that patient is at in the course of that study, maybe we can withdraw them and switch them when appropriate to the new study. These are again philosopher king type of statements. You're actually doing what's best for the patient in that sense, but you're also doing what's best for the sponsor and the site. You're doing what's best for the sponsor in the sense of this patient doesn't belong, and you're doing what's best for the site in the sense of, well, this patient may or may not belong. Let's put them for a little bit and then see how they go. And those are like making compromises, but really only humans are the best ones at doing that. And that's where the philosopher king comes into play. And if you're a coordinator, listen, you're a king, you're a queen, you're protecting your patients, you're protecting your site, and you're protecting your sponsors.